after making popcorn this way. I don't want to make it any other way. It tastes just like movie theater popcorn. In a frying pan, we'll start by adding aluminum foil like I'm showing you. Next, add a tablespoon of butter or margarine. Now let's add some popcorn kernels. Season with a little paprika and then mix everything well. Cover the top with another sheet of aluminum foil, then pierce the middle with a toothpick. Now let's cook it over medium heat until all kernels pop. Once it's done popping, just enjoy. And look everyone, how amazing this popcorn turns out. Try it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. See you next time and thanks.